My name's JJ Wheeler. I'm a drummer. I'm also a teacher, and I do a bit of examining and consultancy work for Trinity. I do some drum clinics around the world. I really like the new syllabus. It's really interesting. There are changes from the old syllabus that I can see, and that are quite distinct. And the nice thing is that there is a distinction now between the drum kit syllabus and the rock and pop syllabus. I think before we had a lot of kind of country and punk and rock and ballad tunes, particularly on the earlier grades of the drum kit syllabus, which were being mirrored in the rock and pop syllabus. Now there's more of a distinction and more of a flavour to the drum kit syllabus, which is kind of more show tunes, more jazz, more Latin numbers. Okay, and that's really nicely wrapped up in a package now, so that if you're that type of drummer who wants to go down the concert band or the West End or the Latin or the jazz route, maybe this is a bit more interesting for you.